Hello guys, today we are going to be trying 3 different products. Last time we did the Vegemite. Bad Vegemite. So today we're going to be trying these chili flavored rice crackers, which are from Thailand. These, I don't really know how to say that. I don't know. It's like strawberry cream covered biscuit sticks. They are, I think, also from Thailand. And we have this that came in a munch pack, which is snacks from around the world. It's Choco Bar Japan. That's what it's called. What it says on the top. I guess it's chocolate. And it looks like it has like some little biscuit inside. I don't know. So let's get started. Okay, so the rice crackers, very thin. They smell very spicy. We're gonna start this because this is spicy, and then we'll do the sweet because I really don't want this at the end. You ready? Go ahead. Well, wow, okay. It's not extremely spicy. It's not very, very, very spicy at all. It does have a very strange taste.
Sweet taste.
Yeah, like there's some sort of like sweetness with spice in it. Like spicy. I mean, I don't like it at all. What about you? Let me see. Doesn't have a lot of fat. It's not very good. I'm not gonna give it a thumbs down because it's not.
Like
I'm gonna go like, yeah, in the middle, definitely. But it's not very good. Not very good at all. Okay, now we are going to try the strawberry biscuit sticks strawberry covered biscuit sticks. Just opening the pack, the smell of strawberry is like very evident. It's like very strong. So I wonder how is it gonna taste. See, it's just a little stick. All right, here we go. Maybe this is good. I'm a very big, like, sweet eating kind of person. I love sweets, love chocolate, my favorite thing in the world. This is good. The strawberry taste, though, is like very strong. It smells like Nesquik, like the strawberry powder for the milk, doesn't it? This one's good. Not my favorite thing in the world. I like real strawberry fruit better than artificial flavor strawberry. So I'm gonna give it a thumbs up, but not definitely something I would like eat a lot. What do you think? So, yeah, this one's good. Alright, now we are going to try the chocolate bar. It's from Japan. I'm excited about this one. I think this is going to be good. It's chocolate. How could it not be good? Let me break it in half. Take one piece. It's very chocolatey. Delicious. I mean, I haven't even tried it, but if it's chocolate, it's gotta be good. Okay. What it looks like inside is like mashed up cookies. Doesn't it? It really, I mean, I don't know that you can see it, but it looks like mashed up cookies, and you just made like a little bar, and then you cover it up in chocolate, and it has like, I guess, little pieces of some kind of cracker inside, and that's exactly what it tastes like. It's good, but not as good as I expected. But this one's definitely a thumbs up. So, we already tried all 3 products that were on the list today. If you guys want to try out things from around the world, you can go online and buy these. It's called a Munch Pack. This is a mini. It comes with about like 6 snacks, 4 to 6 snacks, depending on the size, and and depending what you ask for when you order it. Awesome. You can get one every month on the mail, and just try things from different places. Get your taste buds having a party. Alright, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, please. So guys, if you guys know any product or food, whatever, that you guys think we should try and you'd like to see us trying it, please comment below what you think or what you would like to see us trying on our next video.